In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Mfc140u.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open any browser that you have on your Windows. In the search bar, simply type Mfc140u.dll download. Hit enter. You'll find it from here, free download. Click on that. Scroll down and then you will have the download link for the architecture of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. Check the system type. So we are a 64-bit. So we're going to download the 64-bit download link. Okay. So once downloaded, click on the folder icon. And then right click, select extract all. Click on extract. Then you'll find this one, the mfc140u.dll. Right click and then select copy. Now click on this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click on that. Scroll down to the System32 folder. Now here's the thing. If you are a 64-bit PC, depending on your system type, you have to go to System32. Now if you're at 32-bit PC, you can go with SYS Wow 64. So I am a 64-bit, so I'm going to click on System32. Right click and then select paste. Click on replace the file in destination. Click on continue. Okay, so just simply paste that from here. And once done, then all you have to do is right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. After restarting, that will fix the issue for you. And the next thing that we can do is to again open any browser and simply type Visual C++ Redistributable. Click on it from learnitmicrosoft.com. Scroll down and do, depending on the system type, again, you already know how to check your system type. Click the download link for each of the system type and then simply install the Visual C++ Redistributable package into your Windows. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.